Hi guys, how are you? Now in this session we are going to learn last part in the first unit 1.5, the necklace. You know that what is means necklace. Next, the necklace is a jewelry. Now I am going to ask you some questions from the chit chat activities and you should give me response. First question is given there. Do you like jewelry and ornaments?
Yes, I like jewelry and ornaments.
Okay, very good. Means every person like jewelry and ornaments. The second question is there. Do you like to dress up for a special occasion? How do you do that?
Yes, I like to dress up for special occasions. I like to put on special dresses on special occasions, as Nehru dress on Independence Day, coat on gathering or any other functions. I like different dresses on different occasions.
Okay, means you should do in this way. Now, the next question is that what make a person happy and confident during special function and parties?
According to me, being involved in the activities of a party and interacting with people makes a person happy and confident, like during special functions and parties.
Okay, very good. Means these are the personal response questions given in the chit chat activity. Now, there is the next activity is given talking about myself. Means talking about yourself. You are in ninth standard. From the fifth standard, you are talking about yourself. Now let's see. Write a few lines about yourself, your name, appearance, family, the place where you live, your school, your friends, neighbors, relative, your likes, dislikes, hobbies, and what are good at. Now create an imaginary persona for yourself. It should be quite different from your real self. Or you may choose a fictional character from novel, story, etc. And write a few lines about this imaginary persona and introduce yourselves in their role. Now, at first, we are going to deal with the activities about myself, means talking about myself. To write talking about myself, that is given in marginal page number 23, 1.5, the necklace. Some points. Look at what are the points. I like, I simply love, I enjoy, I don't like, I hate, I find dot very interesting, I can, I am good at, and I am not so good at. Okay, now I am talking about myself, how to write it, means real self. Hi, I am Ram. Then there is the given point where you live. I live with my parents in Goregaon. My school name is NM Joshi Vidyabhavan Goregaon. My friends are Gopal and Sham. They are very good. Their nature is very helpful. My neighbors are good. They help us in our difficulties. My relatives are very kind. We share joys and worries together. I simply love reading books. I dislike watching television. My hobby is playing carom. I find dancing very interesting. I can speak Marathi, Hindi, and English language fluently. I am good at math subject. I am not so good at any subject, means for example science subject. In this way you can write about yourself. Then next, imaginary person. You should write imaginary person, any imaginary person. Means you should imagine any person, any character from novel or story, and you should write about him or her. Look at on my screen, there is one about real self. Hi, I am Rahul Mali. Means you should add yourself also, not copy as it is. I am tall and fit. I live with my parent, younger sister and grandma at Patunda. I learned in ninth standard. My school name is Mahatma Phule School, and my best friend's name is Manoj. I simply love apples. I like reading books. I don't like to play games on computer. This is about real self. You should add your points. Take the help of the marginal pace, and there is given in talking about myself some points, and you should write about yourself. Okay, can you write it? Very good. Means you should write it in your notebook and then show me that pages on my personal number, WhatsApp, personal WhatsApp number. This is about real self. Now let's see imaginary person. Hi, I am Swara Mahajan. I am of medium height, fair and stout. I live with my parents and my elder brother in Pune. I learned in 10th standard. My school name is Girls High School, and I have many friends. I love ice cream and chocolate. I am good at kabaddi. I don't like to read books, but I find comics very interesting. This is about imaginary person. Now, what you have to do? You have to write about yourself in your notebook and imaginary persona in your notebook. Now, what did we learn in this session? First, warming up activities, chit chat activity. In chit chat activity, there are given some personal response questions, and then real self and imaginary person. Look at here, why are the chit chat activities? The main object of these chit chat activities is to go near about our text, because chit chat activities are depend on the lesson or depend on the text. Means when we learn the chit chat activities, we just familiar to the text. This is one object. And to speak freely in chit chat activity, there are some questions, they are very simple. Some questions are personal response questions, so that we can communicate with each other, with our friends, with our teachers, with our parents, and we can speak English freely, so that communication is happened here. This is most important thing is that. Now you are at home, so that you can take help of your brother, sister, father, or mother to communicate with yourself. You should ask this question to your brother, sister, or any persons in your family member. Collect their answer. Otherwise, you should ask them to ask question to yourself, and you should answer them. Then there will be communication. Okay, very good. I hope that you have understood these activities. The next session we will learn the story 1.5, the necklace. Thank you.